Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve some more JEE Mains previous year questions on the chapter Logarithms. Any doubts if you have in any steps, then please write that in the comment section. We shall obviously clarify them in the subsequent videos. Also in any other chapter of maths, if you have more difficulty, then please mention the name of that chapter also in the comments section so that we can give more priority on it and solve more and more questions on that chapter. Also, some important homework questions on every chapter of maths will be uploaded in the Sapience Education application. So please install our Sapience Education application, whose link has been provided in the description. So here it is told that we have to find the number of integral solutions of x of the inequality log of base x plus 7 by 2 log of x minus 7 by 2x minus 3 whole square to the base 7x plus 7 by 2 that should be greater than or equal to 0. So here the thing is, the first thing is that the base the base should be greater than 0. So x plus 7 by 2 should be greater than 0. It means x should be greater than minus 7 by 2. It means if we draw the number line, suppose this is minus 7 by 2, which is minus 3.5. So it should be more than this. It should be more than this. Then x minus 7 by 2x minus 3 whole square, this should not be equal to 0. This should not be equal to 0. It means what? X minus 7 by 2x minus 3, that should not be equal to 0. So it means that x should not be equal to 7. And also the base should not be equal to 1. So x minus 7, x plus 7 by 2, that should not be equal to 1. That means x should not be equal to 1 minus 7 by 2. That is, x should not be equal to minus 5 by 2. X should not be equal to minus 5 by 2. And then, so it means the set is minus 7 by 2 to infinity, excluding 7 and minus 5 by 2. Therefore, the set is minus 7 by 2 to infinity, minus 5 by 2 and 7. These two, we have minus 2, okay. And then this denominator also should not be 0. So 2x minus 2x should not be equal to 3. So x should not be equal to 3 by 2 also. So we have to exclude these values. So minus 7 by 2 to infinity, excluding minus 5 by 2, 3 by 2 and 7. Then you can tell x plus 7 by 2, this is case 1. Case 1 is the base is also greater than 1 and this one x minus 7 by 2 x minus 3 whole square, that should be also greater than or equal to 1. So this means x should be greater than 1 minus 7 by 2. It means x should be greater than minus 5 by 2, and we have to, and means we have to take intersection. So this will be that x minus 7 whole square, that should be greater than or equal to 2x minus 3 whole square. It means what? It means 2x minus 3 whole square minus x minus 7 whole square, that should be less than or equal to 0. So if we factorize it, then we will get 2x minus 3 minus x plus 7 into 2x minus 3 plus x minus 7, that should be less than or equal to 0. So it means what? X plus 4 into 3x minus 10, that should be less than or equal to 0. So it means x should be, it means what, x should be more than or equal to -4 and less than or equal to 10/3. And x should be greater than -5/2 also. So therefore, if we take the intersection of these two sets, then we will get x should belong to -5/2 to 10/3. Then case 2. So case 2 will be x plus 7/2. That should be from 0 to 1. That can be from 0 to 1. And x minus 7/2 x minus 3 whole square, that should be also less than or equal to, that should be also from 0 to 1. Should be greater than 0 and less than 1. So from here we get x should be greater than -7/2 but less than -5/2. And here we can see this will be, now since it is a square number, so it will be obviously more than 0 only, since x should not be 7. Here we have already told that. So it means that x minus 7 whole square, that should be less than 2x minus 3 whole square. It means 2x minus 3 whole square minus x minus 7 whole square, that should be greater than 0. So it means 2x plus, okay, 2x minus 3 plus x minus 7 into 2x minus 3 minus x plus 7, that should be greater than 0. So it means 3x minus 10 into x plus 4, that should be greater than 0. So it means what, x should be either less than -4 or x should be more than 10/3. Now you have to take the intersection of these two. So the intersection of these two sets will be 5. Therefore here in this case x belongs to 5. Therefore we have to take the intersection of these two. -5/2 to 10/3. So therefore the final solution, set, that will be x belongs to, that will be -5/2 to 10/3, -5/2 to 10/3, excluding this will be 3 3s are 9. So excluding 3/2, excluding the number 3/2. So therefore the number of integral solutions. So how many integral solutions we have to find? So if this is the solution set S, then we have to find S intersection Z. That will give you the set of the number of integral, the set of the integral solutions. So integers will be, so this is actually -2.5 to 3.33 minus 1.5. So more than -2.5, that is -2 we can take, -1 we can take, 0 we can take, 1 we can take, 2 we can take, 3 we can take, 4 we cannot take. So it means that there are 6 integral solutions. So it means the number of integral solutions of this equation is 6. Option D is the correct answer. Then here it is told, if the solution of the equation log of cot x base cos x plus 4 log tan x base sin x, that is equal to 1, where x belongs to 0 to pi/2, is Sin inverse alpha plus root beta by 2. So alpha comma beta are integers, then alpha plus beta is equal to. So the solution is this. So here we can write this is log of 1 by 10x base cos x, plus this we can write 4 log 10x base sin x, that is equal to 1. So this means this you can write minus of log 10x base cos x plus 4 log 10x base sin x, that is equal to 1. So now what we can do, we can write this as minus 1 by log cos x base 10x plus 4 into log no, minus plus 4 into 1 by log sin x base 10x, that is equal to 1. Okay, or we can solve it like this also. Is log base cos x, and cot x you can write cos x by sin x, and plus 4 into log tan x you can write sin x by cos x base sin x is equal to 1. So therefore we can say this is log cos x base cos x minus log sin x base cos x plus 4 into log sin x base sin x and plus no minus log cos x base sin x, that is equal to 1. So this will be 1 only, since x is not pi by 2. So cos x will not be 0 and sin x also will not be 0, since here 0 is not included. So this will be 1 minus log sin x base cos x plus 4 minus 4 log cos x base sin x, that is equal to 1. So 1 and 1 will get cancelled. So then we can write this as this, you can write minus 1 by log cos x base sin x, then plus 4 minus 4 log cos x base sin x, that is equal to 0. So therefore, suppose if we take uh, log cos x base sin x as t, then it will come 4t plus 1 by t, that is equal to 4. So then if we solve it, then we have to find the value of t. This is actually 4t square plus 1 equal to 4t. This 4t square minus 4t plus 1 equal to 0. So this you can write 2t minus 1, that is 2t minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 0. So it means that t will be equal to half. T is equal to half. So therefore we can say log of cos x base sin x, that will be equal to half. So therefore we can say sin x power half, that is equal to cos x. or you can say sin x is equal to cos square x. Now cos square x, you can say this will be 1 minus sin square x. That means this will be sin square x plus sin x minus 1, that is equal to 0. So therefore sin x will be how much? Sin x will be minus b plus, now a negative we cannot take since x is from 0 to pi by 2. So sin x will be always greater than 0 only. So the negative answer i- we should not include. We have to ignore the negative answer. So this will be minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this will be root 5 minus 1 by 2, or I can say minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. Now here it is told, so therefore x will be how much? X will be, therefore x, I can say x will be, uh, yeah, x will be sine inverse of sin x is minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. So x will be sine inverse of minus 1 plus root 5 by 2. So therefore alpha is equal to minus 1 and beta, and beta equals to 5. So therefore alpha plus beta is how much? Alpha plus beta, that will be minus 1 plus 5, that is equal to 4. So option C is the correct answer. Then here it is told, let ABC be three distinct positive real numbers such that 2a power log a base e, that is equal to bc power log b base e and b power log 2 base e, that is equal to a power log c base e. Then 6a plus 5bc is equal to 6. We have to find the value of 6a plus 5bc. So here, here actually we can take log on both sides. So then we will get log 2 base e log into log b will be equal to log c base e into log a base e. And from here also, if we apply log on both sides, then we will get, then, and from here also, since the base should be greater than 0, so from here we can say that a also should be a, b, c, a, b, c, all these things, they should be greater than 0 only. And here also, a, b, and c should be greater than 0. So here if you apply log, then it will be log a base e into log of 2a base e, that is equal to log b base e into log bc base e. So this we can write, this will be log a base e into log 2a, means we can write log 2 base e plus log a base 2, a base e, plus this will e- equal to, this will be log b base e into log b base e plus log c base e. Now let's say we take let us take log a base e as x and log b base e as y, and log c base e as z, and log 2 base e we can take it some constant, let's say p, suppose. So then therefore we have got that this is p, this will be p into y, that is equal to z into x. So from here we get py is equal to xz. This is one equation, and we get from here we get x into p plus x into p plus x, that is equal to y into y plus z, y into y plus z. So p, we can say p will be equal to xz by y. So this we can write x into xz by y plus x equals to y into y plus z. So therefore it means what? It is x square z plus x square, that is equal to y square into y plus z. Sorry, this will be x square y then. So from here you can write x square into y plus z minus y square into y plus z, that is equal to 0. So from here we get x square minus y square into y plus z, that is equal to 0 if we factorize it. So therefore now here it is told that a, b and c are greater than 0 only. A, B and C are greater than 0. Three distinct positive real numbers. So it means that y plus z cannot be 0. Therefore, x square should be equal to y square. It means that x will be equal to now x can't be equal to y. Since why? Since it is told that x which is equal to log a base e and y equal to log a b base e, they can't be same. Can't be same, since why? It is told a and b, a b c are distinct positive real numbers. So it means a is not equal to b. So it means x also should not be equal to y. So it means x square equal to y square means x should be equal to minus y. It should be equal to minus y. So it means what? That log a base e, that is equal to minus of log b base e. That means what? Log ab base e, that should be equal to 0. So it means that ab should be equal to 1. Okay, and here from here also you can say y plus z will be equal to 0. So y plus z will be equal to 0. So it means that log b base e plus log c base e, that is equal to 0. So it means that bc will be equal to 1. bc also equal to 1, ab also equal to 1. So if we divide them, then we will get that c by a, that will be equal to 1. So it means that c equal to a. C is equal to a. And from here we get b equal to 1 by a. B equal to 1 by a and c equal to a. bc equal to 1. So now from here we can see that 2a power log a base e, that will be equal to bc, which is 1, power log b, power log b base e. Now 1 power something will be 1 only. So therefore log a base e, that should be equal to 0. So it means so it means log, here you can say that either log a base e equal to 0, or I can say 2a that can be equal to 1. Now if this is 0, then a will be e power 0, which is 1. And if a is 1, then b also will become 1. But this can't be. Since why? It is told a, b, c, it should a, b and c are three distinct positive real numbers. So it means that 2a should be equal to 1, so a should be equal to half. So if a equal to half, then b should be equal to 2 and c should be also equal to half. bc equal to 1. 6a plus 5bc, that will be 6 into a, which is half, plus 5bc, which is 1. So this is 3 plus 5, 2 3 are 6. So 3 plus 5, that is equal to 8. So, so the value of 6a plus 5bc will be equal to 8. Okay, then here it is told S is the set of all those alpha such that log 9 power 2 alpha minus 4 plus 13, then minus this base 2 minus log 5 by 2 into 3 power 2 alpha minus 4 plus 1 base 2, that will be equal to 2. Now since the base is same and they are being, these two terms are subtracted, so this divided by this, since why we know that log b base a minus log c base a, that is equal to log b by c base a. So this we can, this rule we can apply here. So this will be log of 9 power 2 alpha minus 4 plus 13 divided by 5 by 2 into 3 power 2 alpha minus 4 plus 1 base 2, that will be equal to 2. So 9 means 3 square, so 3 power 2 into 2 alpha minus 4 plus 13 by 5 by 2 into 3 power 2 alpha minus 4 plus 1, that will be equal to 2 power 2, that is 4. Now so if we take 3 power 2 alpha minus 4, that is equal to, let's say x, no, let's say y, then we can say that this will be y square plus 13 by 5 by 2 y plus 1, that will be equal to 4. Therefore, I can say that y square plus 13, that will be equal to 5 by 2 into y, 2 to the 4, 2 for the 10. So that is 10y plus 4. So therefore, I can say But this will be y square minus 10y plus 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. That is equal to 0. So it means y minus 1 into y minus 9, that will be equal to 0. So y can be equal to 1 or 9. Y can be equal to 1 or 9. 1 or 9. So therefore, y is 3 power. So it means 3 power 2 alpha minus 4, that can be equal to 1, or 3 power 2 alpha minus 4, that can be equal to 9. So therefore, from here we can see that, so 9 means this is 3 power 2, and this 1 means 3 power 0. So it means 2 alpha minus 4 will be equal to 0 or 2. Therefore, alpha can be equal to 4, 4 by 2, that is 2, or it can be 2 plus 4, 6, 6 by 2, that is 3. So alpha can be 2 or 3. So the maximum value of beta for which the equation x square minus 2 summation alpha whole square x into x plus summation of alpha plus 1 whole square beta equal to 0 has real roots is. So as we know that it is, so the equation given is a quadratic equation. So as you know that x square minus something, let's say px plus q equal to 0. If this quadratic equation has real roots, then we should have, then it means that the discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. It means then the value of b square is p square minus 4ac 4q, that should be greater than or equal to 0. So now therefore summation alpha will be 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. So now therefore summation alpha whole square, so that will be equal to 5 square, that is equal to 25. And summation of alpha plus 1 whole square, so that will be equal to 2 plus 1 whole square plus 3 plus 1 whole square. So that will be 3 square, 9 plus 4 square, that is 16, 16 plus 9, that is also 25. Now here it is told this is 2 summation alpha square x. So therefore the equation is x square minus 50x plus, this will be 25 beta plus 25 beta, that is equal to 0. It should have a real root. So it means p square, which is 50 square minus 4ac, that is b square minus 4ac. 4 into 25 beta, that will be equal to, that should be b square minus 4ac, that should be greater than or equal to 0. Therefore 2500 minus 100 beta, that will be greater than or equal to 0. So it means that 100 beta, that should be less than or equal to 2500. So beta should be less than or equal to 25. So therefore the maximum value of beta for which the equation has real roots is 25. So 25 is the correct answer. Then here it is told the number of solutions of the equation is, so now this 2x square plus 7x plus 5, if we factorize it, then we will get 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5. So here we will get, this will be 2, so this will be x plus 1 into 2x plus 5. So now therefore log of 2x square plus 7x plus 5 base x plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 whole square base 2x plus 5 equals to 4, where x should be greater than 0. Then we have to find the number of solutions of this given equation. So this we can write log of 2x plus 5 into x plus 1 base x plus 1, then plus 2 into log of x plus 1 base 2x plus 5, that is equal to 4. Therefore we can say this will be log of 2x plus 5 base x plus 1 plus 1, plus this will be this we can write 2 into log of x plus 1 base 2x plus 5, that will be equal to 4. So now if we put log of 2x plus 5 base x plus 1 as, let's say, t, then the equation will be changed to so this will be t plus, now this one also I can write as 1 by log of 2x plus 5 base x plus 1. This log of x plus 1, since why the rule is, as we know, log of b base a, that is equal to log of that is equal to 1 by log of a base b. So this can be written as 1 by log of 2x plus 5 base x plus 1. Okay. So if we put this as t, then this will be equal to 1 by t. This will be 1 by t. So this is t plus 1 plus 2 by t, that is equal to 4. And here, as we can see, this part, okay, so this here we got t plus 2 by t, that should be equal to 3. So then we can say t square plus 2 minus 3t, that is equal to 0. So it means that t square minus 2t minus t plus 2, that should be equal to 0. So this means t into t minus 2 minus 1 into t minus 2, that is equal to 0. So t can be 1 or 2. Since why this will come t minus 1 into t minus 2, that is equal to 0. It means t can be 1 or 2. Okay. So now t is actually log of 2x plus 5 base x plus 1. 2x plus 5 base x plus 1. So now from here we can say that x plus 1, that should not be equal to 1. Means x should not be equal to 0. And x plus 1 should be greater than 0 also. It means x should be greater than minus 1. And also 2x plus 5, that should be greater than 0. Be greater than 0. So 2x should be more than minus 5. So x should be more than minus 5 by 2. So x should be more than 1 only. If we take the intersection of these two, x should be more than 1. X should be more than minus 1. And then this 2x plus 5 into x plus 1, that should be also greater than 0. It means x should be either more than minus 1 or x should be less than minus 5 by 2. No, it should be, yeah, it should be more than minus 1 or x should be less than minus 5 by 2. But X should not be less than minus 5 by 2. So it should be more than minus 1. So now this should be either equal to 1 or 2. So therefore, log of 2x plus 5 base x plus 1, that can be equal to 1 or it can be 2. So it means 2x plus 5 that can be equal to x plus 1, or 2x plus 5 that can be equal to x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square. Now if this happens, okay, so now if this happens, that if 2x plus 5 equal to x plus 1, then what will happen? X will be equal to minus 4, which can't happen. Since y, x should be more than minus 1. X can't be equal to minus 4. So therefore this, it can't be equal to 1. It means this value can't be equal to 1. It can be equal to 2. So therefore if you solve it, then 2x plus 5 will be equal to x plus 1 whole square. So it will be x square plus 2x plus 1. So this will be x square, 2x will cancel. So x square will be equal to 4. So x can be equal to plus or minus 2. But minus 2 we should not take. So therefore x should be equal to 2 only. Since y, x should be more than minus 1. So there is only one solution. So the number of solutions of this equation is 1 only. It should be 1. And here it is also told x should be more than 0 also. Yeah. Then here it is told that the number of solutions of this equation is, so log of x plus 1 x minus 1 log of x minus 1 base 4, that is equal to log of x minus 3 base 2. So now it means x minus 1 that should be greater than 0. It means x should be more than 1. And also x minus 3 should be greater than 0. It means x should be greater than 3. So if you take their intersection, then x should be more than 3. So therefore now this we can write, this will be 1 by 2 log of x minus 1 base 2. Since y 4, I can write it as 2 square. Since y, the rule is that log b base a power m, that is equal to 1 by m log b base a. So this will be equal to log x minus 3 base 2. So this we can write log of x minus 1 base 2, that is equal to 2 log of this. So this is log x minus 3 base 2 power 2. Log of x minus 3 whole square base 2. So this will be x minus 1, I can write that is equal to x minus 3 whole square. So this will be x minus 1 equal to x square minus 6x plus 9. So this will be x square minus 7x plus 10. That should be equal to 0. So now 2 5s are 10. So x minus 2 into x minus 5, that should be equal to 0. It means x should be equal to 2 or 5, but it can't be equal to 2 since y can't be equal, it can't be equal to 2 since x should be more than 3. So x should be equal to 5 only. So the number of solutions of this equation will be 1 only. It will be 1. Okay, then here it is told the number of distinct solutions of the equation log mod sin x base half, that is equal to 2 minus log mod cos x base half in the interval 0 to 2 pi is Number of distinct solutions. So this you can write log mod sin x plus log mod cos x base half, that is equal to 2. So therefore this you can write log mod of sin x into cos x base half, that is equal to 2. So therefore mod of sin x into cos x, that will be equal to half power 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. So sin x cos x we can write sin 2x by 2. So this is mod sin 2x by 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 2. So it means that mod sin 2x, that is equal to half. Now mod sin 2x graph we have to draw. The graph of mod sin 2x. So we have to find the number of solutions of mod sin 2x, that is equal to 2 in the interval 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. Now mod sin 2x graph, that is equal to, it is like this only. So 0, and this will be pi by 4. Means at pi by 4 at x equal to pi by 4, it will be sine pi by 2, that will be equal to 1. So this will be pi by 2, this will be pi, no sorry, this will be 3 pi by 4. So the gap is pi by 4 here, and this will be pi by pi, this will be 3 pi by 2. So here the gap has been reduced to half. Okay, this is 3 pi by 2, and this is again pi by 2. So this is 2 pi. So now half will be somewhere here, y equal to half. So actually this one is the graph of y equal to mod sin 2x, and this one is the graph of y equal to half. So we have to take the number of intersections. So that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So there are 8 solutions. There will be 8 solutions in this given interval. So the answer is 8. There are 8 solutions. So hope all of you understood the solutions of all these questions based on the previous year JEE Mains exam on the chapter uh, logarithms. Still any doubts if you have, please write that in the comments. We shall obviously clarify them. And please install our Sapience education application also, where we shall upload some important questions based on the previous year JEE Mains exam on every chapter of maths, which shall be obviously helpful for your exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.